Hello my beautiful souls, welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Uy, keep in mind, it's a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maaaring mag-shift ang energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So, let's see. So, nagliparan na to mga cards natin. Oh, Ace of Pentacles, Justice, Libra. And this King of Wands, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Ayan, so maaaring it's a new commitment, offering of love, commitment. Ayan, with this Two of Cups, partnership, maaaring soulmate, energy. And we have, wow, Ace of Swords. New communication. Parang kung ito isang bagong tao na darating sa buhay mo, ayan, a new conversation coming in. Kung galing naman sa iyong nakaraan na matagal mo na tong hindi kinausap, parang nag-hermit mode ka or inignore mo na yung taong to or inignore ka na niya noon. Parang it's a start of a new conversation. Pero parang malaking percentage dito, it's a new person. We have here the King of Pentacles. Hoy, Seven of Swords. Maring ang ngayon parang lumakas ang past person dito. Hi, Eight of Cups. Nako po. So, ayan, nag 50-50. 50-50 from the past na nag-walk away sa'yo. And for some of you, it's a new person na pipiliin mo. Ayan. Kasi parang ayaw mo na dito sa past person mo. So, it's a new person for some of you. At sa iba naman, the past person to na nag-walk away. So, ayan, tingnan natin signs and symbol cards. Oh, butterfly. It's change. Malaking pagbabago. Parang transformation. Wow, target, Sagittarius energy yan, and the binoculars. So, ayan, watching you. Letter and teddy bear. So, this person will send you a message, a letter, and close. Ay, nako po. Nag 70% past person. Ayan. So, sinrado mo na yung kabanata ng inyong ugnayan or talagang pinilit ng kalimutan pero ayan, magpaparamdam na naman. So, tingnan natin to. Tarot messages, oracle cards. A message from the past. I want a family with you. Feeling left out in the cold. So, ginost pa nung marami dito, mga maraming percentage ay ginost. I want a solid foundations. I'm strong and independent. I want you back. Oh, my intuition choose you. Sorry, I'm wasted. Oh, it's a twin flame energy pala for some, kaya from the past energy. And powerful and discipline. Maring ang trabaho niya ay ayan, talagang kailangan ng matinding disiplina sa sarili, matindi ang workload, physical endurance ang talagang kailangan. Matindi ang mga pinagdadaanang training, mga ganon. Grabe. Ayan. So, tingnan natin to. The hidden truth natin. I know I was a distraction from your pain. I hope that you can forgive me one day. I wish I could take back my words. Ano ba yun? I hid who I really am from you. I left you before you could leave me. I wonder if you're happy without me. You speak to me through music and I regret lying to you. Diba? May mga pinakasinungalingan na naman na naganap dito. Ayan, with this Seven of Swords. You and I were too young. Okay, sumaring childhood sweetheart. Ayan, with the teddy bear. Na nakilala mo to during youngster time. Ayan, youngster days. Ayan. So, tingnan natin to sa initials. HM S E W, C, letter I, L, F, and letter T. Ayun. So, tingnan naman natin. Oops. Ano naman ang message ng Archangel? Healthy Lifestyle by Archangel Raphael. Eat a helpful diet, get adequate sleep, and exercise regularly for optimal health. Ayan, so lagi nakakalimutan yan. It's a reminder for all of us. And tingnan natin sa blue card natin. Oh, separation and addiction. Okay, and reminiscing. Okay, so reminiscing the past, yung mga nangyari sa nakaraan. Ayan. Tingnan natin. Lalo na kung twin flame connection to. Masyadong matindi, powerful ang connection na yan. And tingnan natin general signs and the messages. Fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Number 5, Cold City, friendly. Number 9, Wands is another fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Fantastic friend. Coins, earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Dimple, sword, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Athletic, Virgo, beautiful, divine feminine. Sarcastic, Gemini, April, practical, long distance for some. Ayan. Cup is water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Full of charisma, talented. Killer smile, sexy body. Animal lover, wow. Oops. So, ito mga nahulog natin dito, ayan, soulmate, summer, and trustworthy. So, yan ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.